you call me a backstabber. That's me getting dumped. I was a little shocked. Ki, yaar, I never bonded with any guy a lot, but I think Nikhil and I really killed the task.
So, hi Avantika, welcome to Celeb Mode. And first of all, we would like to know how would you describe your journey until now?
Hi, thank you for having me. So, if I had to describe my journey, it was full of ups and downs. One day the scenario was different, और दूसरे दिन ही सब कुछ change हो जाता था. It was full of ups and downs, but I think it was fine. I learned a lot of things from my journey. So apparently, अगर वो सारी चीजें नहीं होती, तो I wouldn't have been the person I am today. So it was really amazing, but very toxic at the same time.
So why would you say toxic?
Because it's I always got back to the same people who apparently, did not like me or did not respect me. So in that way, I was drawn into more toxicness क्योंकि मेरी ही choice थी वो मेरी ही choice थी किसी और ने मुझे कहा नहीं था कि ऐसा करो वैसा करो. It was apparently because I was a pussy to be myself. I was not that great with handling so much of pressure, and I just always wanted कि सभी खुश रहे, सभी अच्छे से रहे, और सब कुछ उल्टा मेरे पे ही भारी पड़ गया. So it was toxic in a way क्योंकि people pleasing is always very toxic.
Okay, since आपने बोला है कि सब मतलब कुछ ऐसे plans है जो आप पे भारी पड़े हैं, so anything in past जाकर आप कुछ change करना चाहेंगे, so what would it be?
The first thing, if I had to change something, I would not let Devashish go. That's what I would like to change. That's the only thing I regret the most in the entire journey.
Okay, and previous episodes you have been called backstabber as well. So what would you like to comment on that?
I would like to, after seeing this today's, episode, they clearly see who the backstabber was. Because even if you call me a backstabber, that's the same dome where I saved you. And just before the task, तुमने मुझे कहा था कि मेरे connection के साथ pair up करो, वो safe हो जाएगा. You're my best friend, all that stuff. So I don't really think that was necessary. Even though I and Nikita were in good terms now, but talking about that scenario, that was very wrong in a lot of ways. That shouldn't have been said about it. Or बाकी talking about the dome where I got dumped, apparently my friends were the one who dumped me. And those were the same people who, told me to always play for myself. And the day I did play for myself was the day you removed me out of the game. So.
Okay, so apart from toxicity, whom did you bond the most with in Splitsvilla?
I think, even though I got out just a day or two before, I never bonded with any guy a lot. I bonded a lot with Arushi, honestly. I and Arushi, we started the day when I was getting dumped, 2 days before that, I and Arushi, we started sharing a room, and we were just starting to be friends, but then I got dumped. So yeah, I think that friendship would have just gone somewhere if I still continued the show. But unfortunately, I got dumped in the same dome, and apparently I also fucked up writing Arushi and Travon's name on the card. So yeah.
Okay. And what's the best memory of you in Splitsvilla?
I think it was, I wouldn't call it the best. It was very confusing. Apparently, I performed a task with Nikhil and we won it. Nikhil was extremely happy. And I was now I'm confused. I don't know if I should be happy, I won a task, or I should be upset, because my team members are going to be upset about how Nikhil has won the task. So I was very confused. But I think I really liked winning it, because if I did not win that task, क्योंकि उस वक्त भी मेरी और निकिता की लड़ाई हो गई थी कि निकिता picked me over सपना ये वो, so and I think I really needed that win too.
Okay, and why did you feel that Gary was a strong connection for you, the one?
I had no choice. I was, there was this task where I and Gary, we had a bad fight. Gary said a lot of stuff about me where all these tags were given, and I was done with that. okay, I think it's just over, Avantika. You shouldn't like talk to him. You shouldn't like entertain him anymore. But then what happened was, I had like no guy to perform with, and he had no girl to perform with, which led us to, trying to sort out things and just leave things behind, because he wanted to win the show so badly. Like he was like, I'm gonna play selfish, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. Like apparently it was like very sad and weird, because he played selfish the entire time, and in the dome he took like a name which was like against what Kevin said, and that was the time he got dumped. So it was very sad for him, obviously, but yeah, it was like we never had anyone else, क्योंकि सभी के कनेक्शन बन गए थे. आरुषि को गैरी के साथ परफॉर्म नहीं करना था, ट्रेवॉन को मेरे साथ परफॉर्म नहीं करना था, तो बचे कौन? अवंतिका और गैरी. So we were like destined to like perform together.
Okay. And how did you feel when you left the Splitsvilla with Gary?
मैं honestly like me getting dumped, I was a little shocked कि यार Kevin ने मुझे कैसे dump कर दिया, because apparently Kevin was like one of the friends I trusted a lot. Like I always asked him for advice, I always looked up to him, because people, they had already done shows, and I was like, Vantika, they've done shows, so you should like always take their advice, because they'll just help you and all that stuff. And I looked up to him, and apparently he dumped me, and I was very shocked. But then I got it, like, it's probably because I went against him in the dome, this is why he dumped me. But yeah, and then I was like, cool, like now I've got dumped. Mere baad fir Gary dump hua, which was like very like very sad, to be honest, because Kevin got the power of dumping in that dome session because of Gary. Because Gary ne jo ball wala task tha, he like performed it wonderfully, and that is the reason Kevin got the power to dump someone. So I don't really think so Kevin should have like dumped someone jiski wajah se usko wo power mili hai. That was like wrong. Even if he went against you, he still was the reason you was having that power to dump. Otherwise, it would have been like someone from the other gang.
Okay. And which was your personal favorite task up until now?
My favorite task was the one I performed with Nikhil. That was like my favorite task. I mean, I thought I would always name entertainment task, but I did not win the task, because I was like, I want to win this so bad. This is like something I do. I just love it, but things did not go according to me. So I would like say that, even though we performed together and stuff, I don't really think so I did my best in that task. And I really think so the concept, everything sucked in that task, honestly. Like the choreo part was also not that great. The song selection was very like not great for entertainment purpose, and I would absolutely give it to Palak and Shivam for the choreography and the song selection they've done. That was wonderful. That was like something I wanted to do, but apparently when you're like performing with someone you're hot and cold with, you have to listen to the other person also, and that's why the task got a little. But I think Nikhil and I really killed the task. I really loved that one.
Apart from Splitsvilla, which other reality show would you like to try out?
For now, like I don't really think so I want to do any reality show, because this was like very unexpected when Splitsvilla came into my way. I never thought I'd like, because I've always grown up seeing Splitsvilla, and I never thought like I'm gonna do this show or something. And when I got the chance, I still couldn't like believe like I'm actually doing a show which comes on MTV, because MTV is like a big deal. Like MTV is a great platform for a lot of reasons, and I was very shocked when I got the call that Avantika, you're like doing the show, you're in the show. I was so shocked. And even though like I see reality show, I couldn't feel people what they feel when they do on the show. And now that I am in the show and a lot of things are happening with me, and I just feel like people jo mentally strong होते हैं, reality shows are only meant for them, not for people who are like considerate or जो अपने से ज़्यादा औरों के बारे में सोचे या all that stuff. And I think I need to like be a little selfish in life, and I just need to think about myself. And if I think like now I'm capable of doing it, और अब मुझे लगता है कि I won't like get affected with some emotions which are like only there for 1 or 2 days, that's when I think I'm gonna go for the next show if I ever get the chance to.
Okay. And lastly, what would you like to say to your fans and viewers?
I would like tell them how much I appreciate them, how much like I love them, because they send so much of love. They send me so much of love, and I'm so grateful that I have these people in my life. Because whenever I used to see an episode and I used to feel sad कि यार ये क्यों आया this episode में, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, इन्होंने ऐसा क्यों बोला मेरे बारे में. And then I read my DMs, which is flooded by you deserve the world, ये वो, so इतने लंबे text. So I just feel like so privileged and so happy, like wow man, like so much of love, like where to keep it. So it's like I'm so grateful, and I really love every single of you.